Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I've bring something very special for you today. Okay, this strategy right here is a very powerful one. Okay, if you have been looking for a strategy to grow that $10 account, right here is a very powerful strategy for you to do that. Okay, so make sure you watch this video carefully till the end. Okay, don't skip any part. Okay, I'm going to be explaining to you guys step by step how you are going to grow your $10 with this special strategy. Guys, this is a VIP strategy, but I'll be giving it out for free. Guys, I'll be giving it out for free, so make sure you stick to this video till the end. Okay, don't skip any part. Before we go into that, let me delete the setting now. I'm going to delete it and start all over again so that you are going to see how I set the strategy up. Okay, now let me just delete it quickly. Okay, now you can see that we are having a plain chart here. Okay, no more indicator. Now what you should do is to click on this F icon. Okay, if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do it, just click on the F icon. Okay, then you click on this plus sign right here. Okay, you click on the plus sign. Now the first indicator we are going to be adding here is going to be the alligator. Okay, search for the alligator, which is this one right here. Okay, click on it. Now you can see the setting is already there. Okay, because I've set it before. Okay, this is the setting. This is the setting. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I can't pronounce all these things. Okay, so you're going to just take a screenshot. Okay, just take a screenshot of everything you are seeing here. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, or write it down somewhere. So after you have taken all these figures down, then you click on done. Okay, click on done. As you can see, this is our alligator line right here. Okay, this green line here. Okay, then after that, you click on the F icon again. Okay, you click on this one again also. Then we are going to be searching for the, what is it called, the parabolic SAR. Okay, this is it right here. This is it. Okay, you click on it. Oh, sorry, I think I must have clicked on the wrong. Okay, you click on the parabolic SAR. Now you can see the setting. Let me set it to default. Okay, this is the default setting, guys. Okay, the only thing I change here is the color. I change it to the color blue. Okay, so after this you click on done. As you can see, this is it right here on our chart. So after that, we are going to add two more indicators. Okay, you click on the F icon here. Okay, the plus sign. After that, you search for the relative strength index. Okay, this is it right here. Click on it. Then you change the period to the period 1. Okay, the apply to is closed. Under the style we have 1 pixel, and then we make the color of our background. Okay, if you are having a black background, you change the color to black. Then the levels right here, you click on it. Okay, then you change it to, the first one is 10 and the second one is 90. Okay, let me delete it so I'll show you how to add it. Okay, if you want to add it, you click on this F icon right here. Okay, you click on the F icon. You can add any amount you want. Okay, so this one right here, we just need only 2, which is the 90 and the 10. Okay, so if you want to delete, you click on this I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, you click on it and then you delete it. Okay, you just mark and delete it. Okay, So that is it. Now we are going to change this level here to the level 10, this one to level 90. Okay, so after that you go back, click on this arrow, go back, and then you click on done. Okay, so let's go back and see. You can see that the indicator window here is plain. Okay, you can see that, and see the level 90 here and the level 10 here. Okay, so after that you go back again, you click on your F icon, and then you click on this F icon here. Okay, this is the one you'll be clicking this time. You click on it, and then we search for moving average, which is this one. Okay, you click on the moving average, and then the period is going to be 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Okay, under the style we use 3 pixel, and then the color is black. Okay, then after that you click on done, and then you are going to have something like this. Okay, now this is the powerful strategy, guys. This is it. This strategy is very powerful. Now, what are the conditions or the rules you are going to need to observe before taking an entry with this strategy? Okay, now listen very carefully, guys. This is where everything is going to happen. Okay, now the first thing you are going to do, okay, as you all know, because I know you know this one, you wait for the black to get to the 90 level, this place here. As you can see here, guys, we are on boom. We are on boom 1000. Okay, now this strategy, it works on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, but it works best on boom 1000. Okay, it works best on boom 1000, but it also works on crash 1000. Okay, but it works best on boom 1000. Okay, that's why I'm using the boom 1000 to give you guys an example. So you wait for the black to get to the 90 level right here. Okay, now you know that we are on the 90 level now. This is a strong support and resistance zone right here. Okay, there's a strong support and resistance zone right here, which price is going to reverse from that place. Okay, it's going to reverse down from that place. Okay, that zone is blocking price. It can't go up anymore, so it's going to reverse down. So once it get to that zone now, you don't buy or sell immediately. Okay, because this one we are not catching spikes, so we are going to be selling. So you are not going to sell immediately. You are going to wait for, let me bring this tool out. Okay, you are going to wait for price to cross below this green alligator indicator here. Okay, you need to wait for price to cross below it. The reason why I said you should wait for price to cross below it, you can see the alligator line here. It's serving as a support and resistance zone too. Okay, it's like moving average, so it's serving as support and resistance zone too. So price can come here and also spike up again. So you need to wait for it to cross below it first before taking an entry. And the reason why you shouldn't take any entry from this outside zone here is because price can reverse from that zone. Okay, price can, it can spike up again. Okay, if you don't wait for the crossing to happen, there can be spike again. So you need to wait for that crossing to happen. Okay, you need to wait for that crossing to happen. All right, so now you see that price has gotten to the 90 level. You check your chart right here, and you see that price has crossed the green alligator line. Okay, that candle that is going to cross it, okay, you make sure that candle close first before you enter. Okay, so immediately the candle close, then the next candle that will be forming, that is the one you are going to sell from. Okay, you sell, and you are going to be taking only 5 candles. Sadly, 5 candles, but you need something, you need a system that is going to have an edge over the market. So if it is 5 candle that you'll be that you can be taking freely without any spike catching you or blowing your account, then you are good to go like that. Okay, you just be taking your 5 candles every time you see this condition happen. You just take 5 candles, then you can see that your account will be growing over time. Over time, that account will be great successfully. Now, here is the function of the parabolic SAR. Okay, this blue dot here. Now, that blue dot is going to tell you when to enter. Okay, it's either you can enter when the candle close, or you wait till whenever the parabolic star starts appearing on the chart. Okay, it will not appear quick. Okay, but whenever you start seeing it appearing from the top, okay, whenever it starts appearing, then you enter the market. Okay, you enter your sell, and then you wait for your 5 candles. Okay, good strategy, but it's very powerful. Okay, it's a simple a simple strategy to understand, but the result is massive. Okay, if you keep to what I have just said in this video, okay, follow it step by step the way I've said it, then you are sure to grow that small account. Okay, even if it's a $10 or a $20 account, as little as it is, as far as you can use it to open and sell position with boom or crash, you can use that you can use the strategy to grow that account. Okay, now let me show you guys some back testing with this strategy, how perfectly it has worked in the past. Okay, now you can see right here, when it gets to the 90 level, the crossing, the parabolic star start appearing, then you go in for your sell, you take 5 candles. You can see from here to here, you'll be able to take your 5 candle and you are out of the market. Okay, let me show you another example. Okay, this is another example right here. You can see the crossing, you take your 5 candles. You can see that there was no spike there. Okay, so guys, you can take note of this whenever it's fluctuating like this. Okay, you can see that, just look at the indicator window. You can see that the black moving average is going up and down. So whenever it's doing like this, whenever it's fluctuating like this, it means that zone is not a strong zone. Okay, you are not to buy from that zone. Okay, wait for something that is strong. As you can see, this one right here, it's not fluctuating. Okay, it's still there. I'm moving it back and front, but it's still touching that 90 level. Okay, so these are the ones you should be taking your trades from. Okay, so as you can see right here, it cross and you'll be able to get your 5 candles. Okay, you can see this one is fluctuating, it's not a strong one. Okay, you can see this one is a strong one. You can see you can take your 5 candles from this one. Okay, this is another example here again. You take your 5 candles. Okay, this is another example here again, guys. This is another example here. You take your 5 candles. Okay, so guys, you can see that this strategy is very powerful. It's good. Now let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something quickly. You go to the 50-minute time frame. Now you can see, without anybody telling you, that this right here is a downtrend. Okay, you can see that is a downtrend. So you can see that this strategy, it work perfectly 100% on a downtrend. Okay, that is when spike will not like blow your account or half your account or something like that. Okay, so you make sure you are on a downtrend before applying the strategy. Now let me show you. This is how you know you are on a downtrend. You wait for the black line to get to the 90 level, and then whenever it gets to the 90 level, you allow it to cross. Now you see that price cross this green line here and retest. Now you can see that it starts going down. So the same thing you are going to wait for before taking an entry. You make sure it has getting to the 90 level and it has crossed the green line. Then you go to your 1 minute time frame and then you start waiting for all these conditions to be met before taking an entry. Okay, so that is all you need to know for this strategy. Now, everything I explained here on boom, you are going to apply the opposite on crash. Okay, you are going to apply the opposite of everything on crash. Okay, this strategy, it also work on crash, but it work best on the bone. Okay, so you can see here on crash we are doing the opposite. Here we are going to wait for it to get to the 10 level and then we buy. Okay, let me show you some back testing. You can see right here, you can see here there was a small spike, but it will not be able to blow your account. You are going to recover. You can see here also this one is fluctuating, so you are not to take trade from it. You can see after the crossing you take your 5 candles and you are out. So guys, nobody needs to tell you again, you just stick to this strategy. Okay, make sure you master it. Trade it with your demo account first. Okay, once you see that it's doing well for you, then you can go ahead and use it with your real account. Okay, so that is it guys, that is it for this strategy. I will be waiting for your feedback on my comment section guys. Go test it out and give me some feedback how the strategy has helped you. Okay, I'll be waiting for your testimonies and the rest. Okay, I'll be waiting for your complaints and your observation concerning the strategy. Okay, so that is it guys. Wish you all good and successful trading. Silver out.